Hi, welcome to Christy Sunrise. This video is to, first of all, wish you Merry Christmas. Second of all, it is to thank you for following me. I really appreciate it, and subscribing to my channel. I have tried to upload a video a week since I started uploading videos in the summer. But I have failed that the last couple of months. My brother was ill, and so I chose to spend my time with him. So I've been trying to catch up. He did pass, and I miss him dearly. He was a very big part of our lives. We were raised with my dad, and I have two brothers. He was the oldest. And he was a big fan. He helped Dad raise us. And he kept sending me reels and shorts, YouTube, with people cooking, telling me, come on, Christy, you need to do this. You need to do this. So he inspired me greatly. I created the channel in 2023, but I did not upload a video until 2025, like June or July. I think it was the first week of July. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. But I just want to thank you for joining me and cooking with me. And I wanted to let you know what's coming up as far as the cooking videos are coming. But before I do that, I want to tell you, I might start another little playlist called KISS, which is Knowledge I Share. And it's not going to be a weekly thing. It'll be random things like maybe how I let my hair grow, what were my steps. The other thing is I do upholstery work. So I'm going to redo our dining room chairs. I've done lots of dining room chairs for people, but I haven't done mine. So I'll be doing our dining room chairs, and I'll show you how to do it, because I think that it's a DIY that I think a lot of people can do. And any knowledge I have, I want to share. So it will be called KISS, Knowledge I Share. It's not going to play with the cooking videos. So you won't be watching a cooking video and all of a sudden get a video on redoing dining room chairs. It won't be like that. It will, a little bit about me. My career was in accounting. In my 30s, I went back to school. I went to college really officially, I guess I would say, and got a degree in elementary education. So I was an elementary school teacher for a while, and that is really true to my heart. I love children, and I'm a very big advocate for reading. Children need to know how to read, and I currently do substitute teach some. I just can't get away because I love them. I just love it. So I'll be sharing, there's a book I want to share that will go into teaching kids how to write letters, thank you notes, just something little, nothing big. So those are the things that I kind of have in mind for that playlist. But again, it's not going to be consistent. It's not going to be weekly. It might not even be one a month. It's just when I feel like there's something that I do that I can share with you, that I will. I also do sew and quilt, but I'm not going to start a sewing channel. I have no desire to do that. Cooking is in my heart. That's what I want to share mainly. I don't make any money right now doing these videos. You have to have like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and I don't even know if I will hit that, but it's okay. I'm doing this because I love it and I like to share information that I have. So coming soon for cooking videos, let me share with you what I have. And these are just a list I just jotted down the other day. There's going to be more than this, and these are not in any particular order either. Potato soup, banana pudding, chili, Frito pie, apple pie, cherry cobbler, chicken spaghetti. I'm going to show you how to make 3 types of cookies with the chocolate chip cookie dough. Western enchilada lasagna. That's pretty good. That's really good. Enchiladas. I'll show you enchiladas also. Pizza rolls. A fruit dip that's really good. SOS. Now, if your parents were in the military, and an older style military, I'm sure, like my dad and my husband's dad, my father-in-law, everybody knew what SOS was. So, as a matter of fact, we were even at a diner in a town that we lived near, and they had SOS on the menu. I was really shocked. Of course, there's different versions. There's a way that my husband and his family ate it, and there's a way that we ate it. And of course, I'm going to tell you all the ways that I know that people eat it, and then I'm going to cook it the way that we ate it. Salisbury steak, seasoned rice, fried chicken. Now, this one will be interesting because it has sweet and spicy sauce. And it is sweet and it is spicy, and you can control the spice and you can control the sweetness, and it is delicious. And I'll be sharing that recipe with you. You can use it with chicken wings, chicken tenders. Makes a great chicken sandwich if you do it with the chicken breast. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. I'm going to show you how to make a version of a cheesecake with crescent rolls, cinnamon, sugar, and butter. Super duper easy. I'm going to show you how I make my spaghetti sauce, and I'll price that one out for you so you know what it cost. I'm getting into that. I think people are becoming more frugal, and I want to be frugal as well, and that's why I cook at home instead of eat out, because it is a lot cheaper. So following the spaghetti sauce, of course, will be lasagna. And I've showed you how I do my spaghetti bake, and that's been a big hit. Quiche, I think I've already uploaded the quiche video. Donut holes I've already uploaded. Chicken taquitos, chicken tacos, and these are just a few of the videos I have planned. So again, no particular order. I can't wait to make this for you. I might even share my potato salad recipe, which is rare that I would do that. A lot of people had sought out for that recipe from me, as I made it for the 4-H fundraisers and FFA food booth through the years. But you know what? What do I have to lose? I'm going to share it. Can't take it with me. So I don't have measurements for that recipe. So you'll just have to watch to see how it's done. So those are kind of what I have in mind. And again, I want to say Merry Christmas. I wish you and your family the very, very best in New Year's. And I am very grateful for you following me and subscribing to my channel. And I wish you the very best, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Merry Christmas, and thank you again. I appreciate it. Happy New Year.